Let's just see if the S&P 500 gets a little action. Now it's starting to move itself back on up. You can see we're definitely picking up on the level 2. The level 2 is definitely bringing in some volume. The level 2 is definitely bringing in some activity here. Let's just see if we can get a quick little pop. I would like to see a nice, random spike that we could just take advantage of and see this thing dump on down. So here we go. S&P 500, little pop back up to 410.40. It's going to have a little trouble at the VWAP. Break of the VWAP. Could go right on up towards, again, 410.80. Right up towards, again, 410.80. Let's watch for that possible short. Here we go. Little, again, entries. Going ahead, clicking this button more times than I can possibly even click. And again, watching to see if we can go ahead and be able to get filled on this play. Just got filled 40 contracts on this play, guys. Just got filled 40 contracts over on this play. Looking for this one to be able to drop back on down. 410.70s, again, that's where I'm basically filled at this moment. I'm looking basically to be able to get filled on up, see that nice pullback, back on down towards the VWAP of 410.50 or weaker, and then for us to be able to get on out. I do think this pop's going to be able to get a nice pullback back on down, 410.50 or so, and again, be able to take some nice profits. Here's $549. Let's see if we can crack back underneath 410.50. Now again, $949, $1,100. Taking some gains, and boom, baby! Let's lock it out right here. If we can get out with that last little bit. Oh, we still got 10 contracts. We're still up $200 though, and let's just lock in the final $200, and we are boom! Now we're out right there. There we go, guys. $817 in profit. $817 in profit right there. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, no music, just absolute silence right now. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body. S&P 500 team, let's go over towards this, because what do we know? If we try to break this play on down, we know red line, strong resistance. So let's actually go ahead and check this thing on out. We may get ourselves a nice little trade on this. So all I'm going to do, watching the SPY right here, I'm going to click options. Then I'm going to type in SPX, which is usually what I trade. I'm going to go over towards put side, same day expiration. Look for a strike price that's going to work for me. Most likely that is going to be around the 4,065 mark. Look for a limit order, and then look to be able to jump in on this play when we get closer towards this red line. Entries would be good. Anything above 407.40 up towards, again, the price of 407.60. So again, anything from 407.50 or above is kind of what we want to find. Remember, when we take a look over on the S&P 500, we can go back into a little bit of that larger time frame, and we can realize every single time we come up towards this red line, we usually get rejected. We have gotten rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. We did get a little breakout here, then we came crashing on down. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, we got a little bit of a break here, then we came crashing on down. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we are going to look to see, are we going to get rejected somewhere up near around 407.50 to 407.60. So that's the game plan over on the S&P 500. Basically just saying, where have we been rejected in the past, and that should be where we get rejected in the future. So it shouldn't be anything, again, super complicated. It's just more, again, trusting the chart setup. So where would be your first entry? Closer to 407.50, the better. Here it comes again, 407.40. 407.40 was just the first touch.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
This is also a great time to be able to, again, quench our thirsts with a nice bottle of Essentia. Essentia!
Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
Essentia is... I don't want it to pull back from here just too much yet. I kind of want to see a little 407.45 or something along those areas if we can get it. We just came on up towards 407.40, getting a little bit of a pullback at this moment from 407.40. Remember, the game plan is super simple on this trade. There's no confusion, there's no math, there's no algorithms. When I take a look,
I'm seeing again a head and shoulders pattern should lead towards a nice, drop, maybe even a nice little dip by, and an inverse head cup and shoulders pattern. VWAP crossing over the Ikumi cloud, and again the RSI is looking like a breakout here. 13 EMA on over, again 2 minutes on the 20 SMA. Looks like we're gonna buy. Ooh, baby, I'm buying this right now.
Take two.
Essentia is the best water for traders that invest. So it all just comes on down to following the chart setup and seeing, can this chart setup be able to produce that nice drop and that nice pullback that we would like. Remember, stock trading is not always about just finding the best investment. Stock trading is about finding reversals. If I know when a stock is about to be dropping, let's make money off that. If I know when a stock is about to start rising, let's start making money off that. Not chasing a play after it already has risen, or again, looking for a short after it has already fallen so much. We want to make sure that we're reversing plays, not getting in after everyone else does. S&P 500 trying to push itself on up here just a little bit. Guys, new high of the day over on the S&P 500. Let's see, can we get a nice little pop on up? 407. Guys, starting to get a little bit of a move. I'm going to start looking for some entries here if I can get filled. So I'm going to start looking for some entries, try to get filled on this play. And I'm looking to get filled right next to that red line. I do have 10 contracts in at this time. So what did we get up to? We got up towards 407.53 so far. Currently up $139. If we get a nice reversal and we can just make a nice little $500 profit, we can again just start our day with that if that's how things work on out. But I am happy with our first entry here, team. Here's a nice little drop, 407.20. Let's see this thing start turning back on down. Going over towards 1 minute time frame. Come on up towards that red line. Start dropping. Let's get $500. Let's lock it in. There's $489, guys. Gonna go with a 500 here in a second. And then let's lock it in. 589, guys, 589, locking it in. $600 in profit. And that boom! Hey! Not too bad. Not too shabby. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, we're just playing the chart a lot of times. We're just playing the chart. Deck, do that again. Can you show your muscles again? Guys, stop. I don't want to do it again. I'll do the... Okay. All right. Investing in the best water that investors are going to be drinking throughout again. The stock. I wanted to make $1,000 today. Someone again, just take a wild guess. Just take a wild guess. What is my total profit on the day? Do you guys think? Total profit on the day. $999.01. Okay, my goal is to make $1,000 on the day, and I'm at $999.01. Deck, what's your Zelle or Venmo? I'm sending you $1 right now. Awesome, guys. So yeah, let's do that. So right now there are 2,300 people watching over on Tradecaster. There are 712 people watching over on YouTube. Everyone Venmo me 99 cents right now, just so I get to my $1,000 mark. Okay. So again, everyone send me 99 cents to the Venmo of Sean Deckmar, and that'll push me to again my $1,000 mark on the day. I know right now, again, there's that like guy who like is just watching right now on YouTube that probably hates me for some reason. He's just like, you see, this guy's a scammer. He's telling people to send him money in here. People don't realize that's gonna be about $3,000. You better watch it, buddy. Okay, so hey. There has to be that guy somewhere in here. And now again, he was typing that out, and now he's just hitting the delete button right now, just being like, damn it, he's on to me. Claire, take the AirPods out. Take the AirPods out. What time's my massage today? 4:30? Of course, East Coast. No, I don't care if it. Why are you booking? Why are you telling me West Coast times? It's East Coast. It's always East Coast time. Okay, thank you. So it's really at 7:30. I don't know what you're doing recently. It's crazy. All right, thank you. All right, 7:30 massage later tonight.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Earning Essentia's the best. Investors are going to be drinking Essentia throughout earnings season. Quench your thirst with Essentia. Sign up now to, again, a 15% discount code on Essentia.com. Thank you, Essentia, for sponsoring today's live stream.